Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to make your baby sleep better with some practical baby sleep advice strategies. Now, when we consider the importance of sleep for a baby, it's really vital that your baby gets enough sleep. In order to facilitate their healthy development, they must get the right number of hours over a 24-hour period. Better sleep also leads to increased happiness in your child. On top of this, it also makes them more receptive to learning opportunities whilst they are awake. For parents, having a baby that sleeps well will give you the opportunity to get some quality rest yourself. This can lead to a greater sense of well-being during your waking hours, enhanced productivity, and better mental health. It enables you to enjoy time with your baby to a greater extent whilst avoiding potential feelings of resentment. A further benefit of your baby sleeping well that you may experience is an improved relationship with your partner. The powerful shared feeling of successful parenting can bring you even closer together. You may be asking, why is my baby not sleeping? Many problems with babies not sleeping stem from what activities or lack of they have done during the preceding hours. Babies that have had a full, engaging day beforehand are likely to become more receptive to sleep. This is in comparison to youngsters who have not had the opportunity or stimulus to burn off energy. This issue, along with a bedtime routine that is not conducive to relaxing your child, may lead to you finding it difficult to get your baby to sleep. A further reason why they fail to drift off is because of the lack of comfort in their sleeping arrangements. If a baby does not feel comfortable and safe, they are less likely to fall asleep, just like ourselves. So how do you get your baby to sleep? The first practical strategy I'd like to give you is just to simply do more activities during the day. What a baby does during the preceding day can have a huge effect on how well he or she sleeps that night. As a parent, trying and include a wide range of activities during the day to engage your baby's mind and stimulate their development. This will also gradually tire them out. Activities may include a mixture of reading to them, tummy time, moving image activities, and walks in the park. You may also consider singing songs as well as the obligatory nappy changes. A fulfilling day in which your baby is exposed to a variety of stimuli is much more likely to improve your child's contentedness and lead to them needing a better night's sleep as a result. The second practical strategy is to make sure your baby is relaxed and comfortable. Bathing a baby later on in the day is a good idea in order to relax them closer to their bedtime. The warmth of the water and increased level of stimulation will have the dual effect of relaxing them whilst further tiring them out. Putting your child into fresh, clean clothes following their bath whilst ensuring they have a clean nappy is a great way to enhance their comfort levels. This sets your baby up for a late feed. Make sure that the light is turned down low for this feed, or it can be turned off altogether if it is safe to do so. It's the time to give your child lots of love and cuddles, helping to further their feeling of relaxation. Make sure to gently wind your child after feeding to expel excess gases from their system. Missing this step often means babies will only stay asleep for a short time before waking up in an irritated state, making it more difficult to get them back to sleep. Calming music can complement the ambience at this stage. A third practical strategy is to choose the right cot. It's important to make sure that the crib or bedside cot you choose for your child is comfortable. This factor can have a massive effect on a baby's ability to get to sleep in the first place and remain asleep for longer. Spending a bit more money in this area will provide long-term benefits. On the screen you see the Next to Me crib. This is one that I would highly recommend, and it's available to purchase on Amazon. A fourth practical strategy is to use sleep aids. Once your baby is asleep, it is inevitably that they may stir throughout the night. These episodes have the potential to wake your baby. A great product to use in order to reduce the risk of your baby waking too much throughout the night is a sleep aid like Ollie the Owl, which you see on your screen at the moment. With a built-in cry sensor, Ollie detects when your baby is starting to wake and is able to emit either relaxing music or calming white noise to send your child back to sleep. Meanwhile, it is also an effective relaxation tool for parents who know they won't be required to get up as often during the night. Once again, Ollie the Owl is conveniently available on Amazon. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope the tips I've shared help. Please subscribe for similar videos.